Hey friends, if you encounter the error 2753, the file is not marked for installation, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So this error occurs when you try to install a new software to your system. And in this case, one of the reasons is that there are a lot of temporary files associated with that certain software. When it was previously installed on your system, they remain in your system. So use disk cleanup to remove all of them. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then check all of these boxes here. Click on OK, click on delete files. The next solution is to run it as an administrator. Right click on the installer file, select run as administrator. The next one is to run it in compatibility mode. Right click on it, select show more options, select properties, select compatibility, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select the previous version, click on apply and then on OK and then run it, double click on it and run it. The last is to re-register a certain DLL file, which is vbscript.dll. So you need to re-register the DLL file associated with Visual Basic Script. So copy this command line. It's in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Paste it here, hit enter. And once it says succeeded, then your job is done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.